Welcome to the world of Victorian sunroom designs, where timeless elegance meets modern comfort. At Hommie, we specialize in creating exquisite sunrooms that reflect the grandeur of the Victorian era. Victorian sunrooms are renowned for their ornate details and sophisticated charm. Characterized by intricate woodwork, stained glass windows, and elegant furnishings, these designs create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. At Hommie, we offer factory direct customization, allowing you to personalize every aspect of your sunroom. Our direct-to-consumer model ensures competitive pricing, significantly lower than market rates. Once manufactured, your sunroom is securely packaged and delivered straight to your door, ready for local installation. Choose Hommie for your Victorian sunroom project and enjoy the perfect blend of historical elegance and modern efficiency. Visit our website to explore our designs and start your journey towards a stunning new addition to your home.